In this video, I wanted to go over the question word why in Finnish. So the word for why in Finnish is miksi. 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 And in puhekieli, all you do is drop the last I, so you would say mix. 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 So miksi and mix both mean why in English, and it's used in the same way as in English. So let's go over a couple example sentences. Miksi menit kirjastoon? Miksi menit kirjastoon? Miksi menit kirjastoon? Translates to, why did you go to the library? Another example is, miksi Sydney söi kaikki ruuat? Miksi Sydney söi kaikki ruuat? Hey Sydney, miksi Sydney söi kaikki ruuat? Why did Sydney eat all the food? Typical beagle. Tyypillinen beagle. Alright, another example is, miksi ostit niin paljon karkkia? Why'd you buy that much candy? Why'd you buy so much candy? Miksi ostit niin paljon karkkia? Miksi ostit niin paljon, so much, karkkia, candy? Miksi ostit niin paljon karkkia? And then you can also use it to ask more larger life questions. For example, miksi taivas on sininen? Why is the sky blue? Miksi? Why? Taivas, the sky, on, is sininen, blue. Miksi taivas on sininen? Miksi taivas on sininen? Miksi. Okay, and we could also ask, miksi maailmassa ei ole rauhaa? Why does the world not have peace? Good question, right? Miksi maailmassa ei ole rauhaa? Miksi? Why? Maailmassa, in the world or on earth, ei ole, there's not, rauhaa, peace. Miksi maailmassa ei ole rauhaa? Miksi? Okay, or then even a bigger question, miksi olen olemassa? Why do I exist? Miksi olen olemassa? Or miksi on olemassa? Miksi on olemassa? Miksi? Why do I exist? Alright guys, so this was just a little video about the question word miksi in Finnish. Miksi, mix. Why? Hopefully you can remember that and start making your own question sentences after watching this video. Thank you for watching, kiitos paljon, and nähdään ensi videossa, moikka!